Hi, my name na Prince. I be electrical electronics engineer. I wan teach you how to program programmable logic controller and how to use am for your project. If you fit hear wetin I dey talk, e mean say dis video na specifically for you. The thing about my own style of training be say I wan make video wey everybody wey dey like me fit understand and relate with. And so the videos wey I dey make na specially for my people for West Africa wey dey fit understand pidgin English. Dis no mean say people from other regions cannot enjoy or benefit from my videos. But say I dey use pidgin English go make it possible for me to break the things wey I wan talk about down to the level wey everybody wey dey interested fit benefit from it, which is my primary objective. So, for my style of training, I go dey mix pidgin English with formal English. Now, many people no really know say, especially for dis part of our world, that industrial control systems don move from the traditional relay logic and contactors and timers in terms of hardware to what we know as the programmable logic controller. So if you wan really do great things for manufacturing industry, you need to start learning how to program. Because if you don learn how to do it now, there is a chance that you've already been left behind, as in people don leave you behind. And that is why I decide say I wan teach in a way wey a lot of people could benefit from wetin I dey teach. Why do you even need the PLC compared to the relay logic and contactor control systems wey be wetin the majority know about? The fact be say in advanced control systems, we dey like to dey get feedbacks from our devices wey dey for field and also for the process wey we dey monitor. And when I say process, I dey talk about things like tank. Make we take for example, we wan monitor the crude level wey dey inside a vessel wey we dey pump crude into. And the reason why we dey monitor am be say we wan see the value, like an integer. When I mean integer, I mean like when you dey count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that dey go. We wan know if the level of our tank na 100 millimeters or 200 millimeters or 1200, that kind thing. We want to be able to relate with our process and have deeper understanding about wetin dey really happen in the field. The traditional relays wey you know about no fit do dis kind thing. But with the PLC and modern and advanced level controllers, sorry, level transmitters wey we get now, we fit pick that value, send am to the PLC. The PLC go convert am, present am in a way wey we fit understand and relate. Another thing wey make we prefer PLC over the traditional relay and timer, contactor, control stuff be say the PLC dey reliable. Like e dey difficult for it to spoil. A machine controlled by the programmable logic controller can run for years without maintenance relating specifically the PLC. E no dey like contactors wey go just dey fail anyhow or relays wey go just dey fail anyhow. They are rugged. Okay? So because they dey rugged, they dey very reliable. So wetin be dis PLC sef? Let me shock you. The PLC almost dey the same like the normal computer wey you get for your house and the computers wey we get for offices. The only difference between dis PLC and those computers be say dis ones are built specifically for the industry. They are rugged, they can withstand high temperature, they can withstand high vibration, and they also have what we call input module and output module wey dey enable dem gather information from the field and use am make decision wey affect the process of the machine wey we control. And that is why as person wey wan progress quick in your career, whether you be student wey just dey graduate from school or you are a professional wey wan dive into control systems, you need to learn how modern industry control. I actually started out wiring machines with relays and contactors. In fact, I started out in the plastic manufacturing industry. And now I've spent over 15 years in different manufacturing industry and also in the oil and gas industry. So I know say you go benefit a lot from this training wey I want to like. And if you know say the things wey I don talk about dey interest you, I dey encourage you to follow this channel. If you follow this channel, there are a lot of things that you will get to learn. This channel will focus specifically on how to control systems with Siemens brands of PLC. The image wey you dey see for my screen like this na the 1200 CPU and the 1500 CPU where our discussion focus on. So again, I invite you, join me as we dive deeper into understanding how we can use the Siemens programmable logic controllers in controlling our processes or our machines. Again, my name is Prince.